Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today on my channel I will be putting together my kitchen table in my dinette, getting it all festive for my breakfast morning. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family here at Domestic Diva. This dinette table is going to be a lot less formal than my last year's breakfast table settings, where I set it up in my formal dining room. I wanted to show you a more relaxed and laid back table setting in this video. So the first thing that I do is I give my table a wipe down. I clean my table every night after dinner, so it wasn't really dirty, but nevertheless I still like to just give it a wipe down, and I'm just using a microfiber cloth with some water. I didn't do too much shopping for this table setting just because I didn't want to go out and spend money, but the items that I did pick up is what set this mood for this table. I guess the color palette. So I had picked up these placemats from Dollarama. I believe they were about $3.50, and I love the buffalo plaid on the one side and then the red on the other side with a moose. So they were $3. So I picked up 6 of these, even though I only need 4, but I wanted to have 6. So this was kind of a color scheme that I wanted for this table setting. I will be serving a very informal food, just some pancakes, maybe some scrambled eggs and juice and coffee, and some fresh fruit, maybe some cured meats. It's just the 4 of us here, so it does. I sometimes make it formal, sometimes I don't. So this year I asked the kids to tell me what they wanted, and they settled on the pancakes and scrambled eggs. So just the fruit and the meat will be just the extra things that I will put for my husband and my kids will eat it too. So I use the extra 2 as the placemats for the warm stuff, and then the other 2 will be the place settings for us. Whenever I'm decorating a table, I always like to add a little bit of height and different textures and different materials. So I had picked up this cake stand at Michael's. I think it was like $10, and then I'm just putting my cranberry pie dish, it's a stone, which I will be putting pancakes in it, because if I heat it up and put pancakes as I'm making them and cover it with tinfoil, it will keep the pancakes warm. The little plate, I will be putting eggs on it, and the plate was a gift, so I'm not sure where it came from. I assume HomeSense. The little charcuterie board came from Europe. It is an actual olive tree, and that's where I will be placing my cured meats. I will also be adding this cheese board just for some cheese. I love cheese pancakes and cured meats. We'll probably end up making bacon as well, so might need a plate for that too. For maple syrup, I will be putting it in this gravy boat, and I use real maple syrup. I get them from my farm that makes it themselves. I will be using these plain white plates. I had bought these at, I can't remember whether it was Dollar Tree or Dollarama several years ago. They are my everyday plates, but when I was buying new plates, I just really wanted white plates, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money because we break them on regular basis, but I wanted plates that I can buy again if I needed to. They weren't part of some fancy set that I couldn't, if I broke one, I couldn't find a replacement. I do freshly squeezed orange juice, so that's what that carafe, I think that's what it's called, is for. And I'm just looking for a hot plate, a protection for the hot, because I will be placing my hot coffee pot on it, and I don't want it to damage my table. So for my husband and I'm just using my gingerbread coffee mugs, and the kids will get, I have gotten these mugs for Moscow mules, but I thought they would be pretty cool for the kids to drink orange juice out of. They're real nice, kind of a rose goldish color, and I think they go really well in this place setting, table setting. So for my forks and knives and napkins, I have these red napkins, and I'm putting them inside a Christmas napkin holder ring that I picked up many years ago at a dollar store that does not exist anymore. And they have a real nice Christmas tree design on them, kind of cut out. They're really pretty. Luckily, I think I only have 6 of them. I used to have 8, I think, but I don't know what happened to the other 2. But they kind of match the color of the cups for the juice, so it all kind of ties in together. And I like using the red napkins because I think it, again, ties in well together. And to make it a little bit more Christmassy, I will be adding these cedar branches that I had picked up at Michael's for other projects, and I had some left over, and they're just cedar branches with some berries and pine cones, and I will be just decorating around the middle there, just to add a little bit of more of a Christmas touch to it. So I will be just putting an empty coffee pot here just to give you a complete look what it's gonna look like. So here is my finished dinette table for Christmas breakfast. I really love how the red and buffalo plaid work together with the greenery and the metallic golds. I can't wait to have Christmas morning this year with my family, and the relaxed casual setting just makes it that much more enjoyable. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Check out last year's video to see how glam or how formal that one looks. And like I said, let me know down below what you think. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.